Greetings, namaste. I have an interesting mail from Meeta, and she says, "Ma'am, I'm recently married. Me and my husband, we both are engineers, and we earn equally. However, my husband is expecting me to share the expenses. But I feel that's biasness because the man is supposed to be the provider. Well, Meeta, let me tell you, you became an engineer because you want to be treated equally, right? So if you share the expenses with your husband, then that is not biasness at all, right? I know it's boggling, but I have a complete package for you which will help you to understand your rights and responsibilities and your husband's rights and responsibilities as a couple and as a separate individual, and certain more stuffs as well, that will help you to probably make your bonding stronger. Okay, so just check the caption. All right, I hope it helps. Take care. Bye bye.